Did you know that the way you manage your finances before you hit the big 3 to 0 can have a lasting impact on the rest of your life? It's true. In fact, setting and achieving key financial goals during your 20s can set you up for long-term success and financial freedom. In today's video, we'll be diving into 6 essential financial goals that you should aim to achieve before turning 30. These goals will not only give you a strong financial foundation, but also provide you with a solid platform to build wealth and create the life you've always dreamed of. Welcome to the Finance Bowl. Let's start with the goals. Goal 1. Career Capital. Alright, let's dive into our first financial goal, building career capital. So what exactly is career capital? Simply put, it's the set of skills, experiences, and connections that you accumulate throughout your career, making you more valuable and in demand in the job market. Now, you might be wondering why career capital is so important. Well, think of it as the foundation upon which you'll build your financial success. The stronger your career capital, the more opportunities you'll have to earn a higher income and create wealth. During your 20s, it's essential to focus on developing your career capital. This is the perfect time for exploring different career paths, trying new things, and learning from both successes and failures. One key aspect of building career capital is to prioritize active income first. Active income refers to the money you earn through your primary job, as opposed to passive income, which comes from investments or side businesses. While passive income is indeed important, your active income serves as your primary wealth-building tool during the early stages of your career. So, how can you maximize your active income? It's all about pushing for promotions and pay raises. Focus on honing your skills and demonstrating your value to your employer. As you climb the corporate ladder, your increased income will not only improve your financial situation but also provide you with more resources to invest in other income-generating ventures. Remember, your 30s should be about solidifying your position in your chosen field and finding your niche. This way, you can position yourself for the most rewarding jobs, paving the way for a more secure and prosperous financial future. Goal 2. Building an emergency fund. Moving on to our second financial goal before turning 30, building an emergency fund. Life can be unpredictable, and unexpected expenses can pop up at any time. That's where an emergency fund comes in handy. It serves as a financial safety net, providing you with a cushion for when you face unexpected situations like job loss, medical emergencies, or urgent home repairs. Now, the key to an effective emergency fund is to keep it liquid and easily accessible. This means storing it in a high-interest savings account, rather than locking it up in investments. The goal is to have cash available when you need it most, without the worry of penalties or delays in accessing your funds. So, how much should you save in your emergency fund? Financial experts generally recommend having 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses saved up if you have a stable job. However, if you're self-employed or have a less predictable income, you might want to consider having 6 to 12 months' worth of expenses set aside. It's important to remember that your emergency fund is not meant for everyday expenses or splurges. Keep it separate from your regular checking account, and resist the temptation to dip into it for non-emergency purposes. This way, you'll have peace of mind, knowing that you're prepared for whatever life throws your way. Goal 3. Tracking and managing finances. Now that we've covered the importance of building career capital and having an emergency fund, let's move on to our third financial goal before turning 30. Tracking and managing your finances. Being in control of your financial situation starts with having a clear understanding of where your money is coming from and where it's going. Setting long-term saving goals is crucial for staying focused on your financial objectives. Without clear goals, it's easy to get swept away by impulsive spending habits and lose sight of your larger financial aspirations. One effective way to take charge of your finances is by using a personal finance tracker. A finance tracker allows you to consolidate all your financial information, including income, expenses, savings, and investments, in one place. By regularly updating and reviewing your tracker, you can gain valuable insights into your spending patterns, identify areas for improvement, and ensure that you're on track to achieve your long-term saving goals. Consider setting aside time every 3 months to review your personal finance tracker. This frequency is enough to keep you informed without becoming overwhelming. During these reviews, you can assess your progress, make adjustments to your budget, and celebrate your financial successes. There are various finance trackers available, both in digital and physical formats. Choose one that best suits your preferences and lifestyle. Remember, consistency is key. The more regularly you track and manage your finances, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions and achieve your financial goals before turning 30. Goal 4. Diversifying income streams. As we continue discussing financial goals to reach before turning 30, let's delve into our fourth objective: diversifying your income streams. Relying on a single source of income can be risky, especially during uncertain economic times. By having multiple sources of income, you can reduce the risk of financial instability and create a more secure foundation for your future. Diversifying your income streams is all about exploring various ways to make money, both online and offline. This can include activities like investing in stocks, bonds, or real estate, starting a side business, or freelancing in your area of expertise. The goal is to have a mix of income sources that can withstand different situations, ensuring that you always have a financial safety net in place. For example, let's say your primary income stream is your full-time job. However, you've also invested in rental properties, started a side hustle selling handmade crafts, and earned passive income from dividends on your investments. If one of these income streams takes a hit, such as a decline in the value of your rental properties, you still have your other income streams to fall back on. By not putting all your eggs in one basket, you're giving yourself the flexibility to adapt to different circumstances and maintain financial stability. Remember, even if you think a single income stream is secure, it's always wise to have backup options in place. To sum up, diversifying your income streams is a crucial aspect of financial planning before turning 30. By exploring different ways to generate income and building a diverse income portfolio, you'll be better prepared for whatever the future holds. Goal 5. Making money work for you. As we move on to the fifth financial goal, let's talk about making your money work for you. If you want to build true wealth and secure a comfortable financial future, it's essential to invest your money wisely. This means finding ways to grow your money over time so that it continues to generate income even when you're not actively working. Investing your money is crucial because it allows you to take advantage of compound interest and potentially achieve financial freedom sooner. The sooner you start investing, the more time your money has to grow, and the less you need to contribute to reach your financial goals. There are many different investment vehicles available, and it's important to choose the ones that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Some of the most popular investment options include: 1. Stock market. Investing in individual stocks, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, or index funds can provide you with a share of the profits from companies as they grow. This can be a great way to generate long-term returns, but it's important to diversify your portfolio and be prepared for market fluctuations. 2. Real estate. Buying rental properties or investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs, can provide you with a steady stream of rental income and potential capital appreciation. This can be a relatively stable and passive form of investment, but it may require a significant initial capital outlay and ongoing property management. 3. Bonds. Investing in government or corporate bonds can provide you with a fixed income over a specific period of time. Bonds are typically considered lower-risk investments compared to stocks but may offer lower potential returns. 4. Precious metals and commodities. Investing in gold, silver, or other commodities can act as a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. These investments can be volatile and may not be suitable for everyone, so it's important to research and understand the risks involved. 5. Retirement accounts. Contributing to retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA can provide you with tax advantages and help you grow your retirement savings more efficiently. The key to successful investing is to start early, be consistent, and diversify your investments. By putting your money to work for you, you can build a financial future that allows you to live comfortably without constantly worrying about running out of cash. Goal 6. Paying off credit card and consumer debt. Now that we discussed the importance of diversifying income streams and making your money work for you, let's move on to the sixth and final financial goal: paying off credit card and consumer debt. Debt can be a significant obstacle on your journey to financial freedom, especially if you're not using it wisely. Carrying high-interest credit card debt or other consumer debt can lead to a phenomenon known as lifestyle creep. This occurs when you become accustomed to living beyond your means, constantly using debt to fund your lifestyle, and creating an endless cycle of debt accumulation. In your 30s, it's essential to prioritize paying down any credit card or consumer debt you may have. Doing so can significantly improve your financial health and provide you with more freedom to allocate your income towards other financial goals, such as saving and investing. Here are some tips to help you pay off your debts more effectively. 1. Create a budget. Establishing a budget can help you gain a clear understanding of your income and expenses, allowing you to identify areas where you can cut back to allocate more money towards debt repayment. 2. Focus on high-interest debt first. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts, such as credit card balances, as they can accumulate interest quickly and cost you more in the long run. 3. Consider debt consolidation. If you have multiple high-interest debts, consolidating them into a single lower-interest loan can help you save on interest and simplify your debt repayment process. 4. Use extra income wisely. If you receive a bonus, tax refund, or other windfall, consider using it to pay off debt instead of spending it on non-essential items. 5. Establish an emergency fund. Having a separate emergency fund can prevent you from relying on credit cards to cover unexpected expenses, ultimately helping you avoid accumulating more debt. Remember, not all debt is bad. For example, taking on a mortgage to purchase a home or using a low-interest loan to invest in a business can be strategic financial moves. The key is to differentiate between good and bad debt and to focus on eliminating high-interest consumer debt that doesn't contribute to your long-term financial goals. We've covered a lot of ground today discussing 6 essential financial goals you should aim to reach before age 30. However, it's crucial to remember that everyone's financial journey is unique. Your timeline might look different from others, and that's perfectly fine. It's important not to get caught up in comparing your progress to others, as this can be demotivating and counterproductive. Instead, focus on your own financial goals and work diligently towards achieving them at your own pace. If you haven't started working on these financial goals yet, there's no better time than now to begin. Whether you're in your early 20s or approaching your 30s, taking control of your finances and making conscious decisions about your financial future can have a lasting impact on your life. Remember that personal finance is a lifelong journey, and it's never too late to start making changes. With persistence, determination, and a clear plan, you can achieve financial stability and freedom, setting yourself up for a bright and prosperous future. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please subscribe to the Finance Bull for more money and investing tips. Until next time.